Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap here, go to the My Apps and Games, and here you can see updates pending. So here you have all of your unupdated apps. You can update them one by one by tapping update button at the specific app which you want to update, or you can just update them all at once. It's for you to decide how you wish to do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.